Morning guys, it is a Saturday and Aussie and I running a little bit late with our day. We were meant to go to the zoo for Amaziah's 2nd birthday, so happy birthday Amaziah. And they've Siosi needed to cut his hair, so he took for ages, and now we're not going anymore because they already started. By the time we get there, we'll probably have like 1 hour left before we come home, which is just, I can't justify it, paying a full entry for half a show. It doesn't work like that. But seriously, it took so long when he cut his hair. Honestly, he's gonna get so mad when he sees this, but I don't care. And we're going to go and get some food because we didn't have any dinner last night, even though there was dinner there. And we're going to go and buy food and try and look for something to do today, because I'm not sure what's going on. My hair's still a little bit wet.
No, it's not good. Hi everyone. It's Saturday, but nothing much to do. Just going to have some food and maybe we're going to the zoo. See you guys.
Change of plans, guys. We're going to the zoo.
Hello everyone, we're here at the zoo. Enjoy the zoo on Saturday. Does my hair look nice? That's good. I'm so good. You look so beautiful.
Nej, bevaler jer. Bevaler jer, nu du går, du var der. Jeg er wow, du siger screw. I love you. I'm joking. Anyways, I'm so excited. Siosi wants to go in that wheelchair. It's for old people, Siosi.
Yeah, I know, but...
Anyways, I haven't been here for like 5 years, maybe. It was for Darnell's birthday, I think, when he was young. Oh, you look like my son. I go with him and so, well, they're at. I think they went this way. I think they went this way.
Hello,
guys, we have to skip like half of it because we got to catch up to them, and they're like at 15 or something. So we got to go.
Yeah, guys. It's so cold, but it's nice and fresh down the tree.
Hi, Zaya. Hey, I'm not a peacock. Happy birthday, Zaya. It's your birthday. Ew, what are these things? They're like little joeys.
You know what that is?
It's Timon.
They fly puree. Fly puree.
Fly puree. Ew, disgusting.
Happy birthday, little bear.
I'm not a bear.
Yes, you are. You've got a bear jumper.
No.
What are you?
I'm Amaziah.
Hi, Mona. Not you, Mona.
You're the peacock.
I'm not a peacock. I'm not a peacock. Don't pull my hair, bear. Ow! Bear.
I'm not a bear.
You're a little bear. You're a little bear. We have to feed you some fish.
Sitting up here in this box, what is who?
Who is it?
The sun bear. See that brown, that black bear over there?
Oh my god, I want to have some barbecue with them.
The Jamala Wildlife Lodge. You can stay here. Oh, they're staying. Yeah, I know.
Shall we join them?
Yeah. Oh, that's really nice.
That's very nice.
Hi, baby Solomon.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby Mona.
You know those people that go hunting?
Yeah, they eat them and they shoot them and eat them.
They eat them first.
Mom. Wow.
There's only one?
Wow.
I swear they had two before. Oh my god!
I can't even pull a lesson because I've got no credit. Look at his horns. Ryan's missing out.
Oh my god, I need to Snapchat this as well.
Oh. Look at him.
Just chilling with my mate.
Your hair's actually similar colour to his coat, this part.
Oh, my hair's actually similar colour to his coat.
It actually is.
What did you say?
Cái đấy phong nga siya pa vậy và vừa ka fa đi cái cú quên một cắm băng.
You can't do that, you stupid. Bye, giraffe.
Yeah, we're going to the rhino.
Hello guys, yeah, we're here at the mall. Come to visit Victoria's family.
Hi. It's a little symbol or a zoo.
Oh, I'm sorry.
To
visit Victoria's family.
Wow, that is so beautiful.
Oh.
That's your daddy. That's your daddy. Oh. Hi, Harry.
Hello, Mona. Hi, Mona.
You see that? Huh? What's that?
He's so scared.
He's scared of everything. Huh? You're a big P-U-S-S-Y, mate. Huh? He's scared of every single animal, everything.
Oh, good luck. He's so heavy. How many numbers are there, do you know?
60.
I'm tired already. I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
I know he's got both legs.
Yeah, he's a mulioso.
Just let him walk by himself.
Right, just leave him. He doesn't want you to hold his hand, darling.
Oh, see Big Man. Big Man. Hi, Big Man.
Get up. Stand up.
Let him walk by himself. He can walk by himself.
I want to walk with Big Man.
Hello everyone. Still looking for the animals in this zoo. It's 34.
Okay.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. We're here at the zoo, checking in with ya. And Vicky's gonna buy me an ice cream.
No, I'm not, Molly.
Vicky.
And don't call me Vicky.
Rhinocera. What rhinocera? How big that one? What rhinocera? White rhinocera. Oh, massive.
Yeah, so we're just stopped off here over having some chips. What is this, Molly?
She's such a liar. She tasted it before. See ya? This is her chip. She took it out of her mouth.
No, I didn't.
That's what you get,
What are you
girl.
talking about? I don't know what you're talking about.
Where's...
It's so stale. Like a big...
it's so yucky. That one was...
Can you not leave a rubbish here?
Yeah, put it in here. This is...
Are you trying to kill the animals?
Yeah, so nice.
I went to Daniel's so cute. So I went to Daniel's mass Father's Day. And at Eddie's. Yeah. And I went there. The commander was like, "Fear Catholic as," walks into the church. He walks into the church and he goes like this. He walks into the church and he goes. And he walks off and sits down.
That's what you have to do.
And then he's like, "Tamar,
Yeah, give me my drink.
go!" Because they did the what's the thing? The communion.
So you give me my drink.
And I'm like, no, I'm not coming. And then on top of his lungs, in front of everyone, he's standing there and he's like, "Tamar!" And I'm like,
Molly, I'm sick of directing you to see stuff because you always forget your glasses.
I got them here, but I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, girl. Oh my gosh. I can't see. The logs are blocking me. Move, baby.
So big.
So big.
Must be a girl. Ja, nou het zo vanuit Lea. Olha lá, não mera.
Oro ko rua. Uma coisa sa mori I langa fale lea moi manang ko rua la moi mai o.
Awa.
More giraffes.
Where are we going?
No. E feang mong. Madagascar. Look at its eyes. They're from Madagascar. Madagascar. Malakesta. Taika!
Oh, this is what they show on the Jamala ad. Saying
Yeah, because the room is right there. Your bedroom is right there. Yeah, Jamal accommodation. You can sleep here. Hi, Nemo. We're leaving now.
Yeah.
We hope you guys enjoyed the zoo with us.
Sorry.
We've already taken you guys on the zoo once before. That was in Melbourne. It's the end of our trip. Oh no, our battery's flat.
Follow mommy.
Yeah.
Bye, mummy. Mummy's going. What? What did you get? Oh, show me. Oh, it's so beautiful. We just got home from the zoo. We just want to give a quick shout out to our girl Louisa and Genesis, and also
Yeah. Shout out to Genesis and Louisa. Hope you guys are happy.
Morning, guys. We just woke up. Sorry we didn't end the vlog last night. But yeah, you look so many fire. Me have a layer. You see my okay fire. If I let my out was you see my one hair.
Yeah, my love valley se for my tata umar ko pera mata nei video. Yeah, avail nei tula. Mo le tu fa anga. Ita ma uma. Ole la langi. Ale ngata ilea. O se mate te ma fa pena I sa mo. Ni fa ngalo ina se te ma fa pena na tu ua. Ita ta to te nei pese. O te lo fa tu ai te ma uma. O to. O tu fa ia tiute. O aluenga. Ti tai tonu ai. Ata ia tu ina ai. Ve ia na le sa. Si te mau ko pena na. Te oto fal mai. Fal pui. Ia o tu ai fa maniaha. Le sa te mai te tu malawa. Ia wa me se toi futi ina I mafu fa. e tafu de li ina tato pe alta otu o ta singa se no ma itino ye yai mana lo fa le tu i tento man via la wala satma.
So guys, it's Father's Day today and Siossi thinks he needs a present. I don't know about you, Siossi, but last time I checked, we did not have any children.
What?
We do not have any children.
No, it doesn't matter. If you marry, you are father.
No, you're not a father.
I'm a father.
You're not a father. Oh, I see. You are a farter. Because you fart, your bum farts. And he's like, I'm like, you're not a father, okay? We don't have any children. And in Samoan culture, once you get married, apparently you're a father. The definition of a father, of a father means a father. I don't even know.
No, a father means...
No, a father means that you guys pull. A father means that you guys pull. But a father, it means...
A father means...
It means that you are a father. You're a dad.
You have a wife.
No, it means you are a dad.
Yeah.
It means you're a dad. It doesn't mean you're married. That's a husband.
Why I'm married for?
I can't do. No, father means dad. Are you my dad?
Yeah, I'm not a father.
Are you my dad? Our dad.
Ya pela ame ese uba ofu mandai mo doi mai para pabang na tu po e tangi loisa wa mate yo pa ai atu ngasu bai hoi ngana Etele wa mate de para pabang.
Victoria's fan.
Yeah, but you can't eat like.
Hi, Evan.
Get another one. Yeah. You're not gonna get it. Well, I'm so hungry. The last time.
We're just coming to have a Father's Day lunch with everyone. This is Ike and Phil Beezy.
What about Evan? That's how we do it.
Evan, let me get him. What is that? It's a video.
Say something. I was supposed to introduce ourselves. Hi, my name is Michelle. My name is TH. Like you all know, I'm that girl you like. So this is my friend's husband, and so we used to be very, very close. I want to bear out my mind, like I've been so sad. I and this girl, we used to be so close until she met me. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Until she met this dude, and then that was how our love for each other flowed. But I'm not sad though, but I just want to pour out my mind. I'm not a hater.
You are what?
But this guy is still my best friend. Say something, Mr. E.
Yeah, we're happy. Because we're happy, that's what we're here.
I want to sing a special number. Okay.
We are here today at Lone Star Rib House to eat some ribs. And this is my little best friend, Josiah.
I watch your videos.
I know you do, you tell me all the time. She's a loyal fan right here. Shout out to Delzy.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. I want to say a happy Father's Day to everybody out there, to my daddy, in Samoa. Happy Father's Day. And I want to say happy Father's Day to Prophet, my man of God. Happy Father's Day to all the men of God out there. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And to my future baby daddy, whoever you are. Jokes! We are doing a special prayer for Molly. She wants to have twins, so everybody put on your fasting shoes. We need to fast hard. We pray that by this time this year, December, Molly will be giving us twins. We don't care if it's up to 9 months, we need twins. We're gonna interview the lady girl. This is my lady girl. We want to wish our future daddies, our future baby daddies, a happy Father's Day, whoever you are, wherever you are, whoever you're with. No,
Happy Father's Day to Molly's future.
And her future husband from Nigeria, Abuja. And happy Father's Day.
Kia ora. Hi everybody, just want to wish happy Father's Day to my spiritual father, Prophet William, to my late father-in-law, Reverend Elifasa Laitutu, to my father, Ropatu Finau, and also to my husband, father of my kids, Josiah and Perez, Lai Laitutu. We have finished eating our food right now. I ate before.
Some ice cream.
Boy, yes, yours. And me.
Hello.
I just ate a tiny bit. Huh? Absolutely demolished.
I had a good dinner.
Now we are going home, finish lunch, thanks for the long stop. We are so enjoying this food.
So we're here at my sister's house because her battery went kaput. And we are so faithful. She should honestly pay us for this. Molly, I know you're watching, girl. You need to take us out for dinner and give us $50. It's Sunday.
You hold like this.
Hi.
Hello everyone.
Are you happy to see us?
Yeah.
You hold it. I'm gonna jumpstart it. Now I get a lawyer fight live there. Oh, I get a lawyer fight or live on. Fight got a yo. The ink sing here.
Where's the chocolate?
I've got them.
Hold the medicine.
Did you go on hold so you got for me?
Yeah, I'll hold.
Okay,
Okay, yeah. What?
Hi. Did you get scared, Molly? Did you get scared, Molly? Let me let it. I want to go in my car.
Oh, Lily.
Vỏ sợ quá. Ủa lột phụ ọc quá. Mày máu lúc cái câu đừng mạo mày mạo lúc xin mạo các shit start mà thôi. Birthday to you.
Yeah, pick up.
We're just singing happy birthday to him now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Singapore.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.